If you're wondering how to see completed tasks in Asana, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to view those tasks in just a few simple steps. Stick with me till the end because we're not only going to go over where to find your completed tasks, but also some tips to help you use Asana even more effectively. Plus, I've got an exclusive deal on a free trial of Asana that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is open up your project in Asana. Once you're in the project view, you'll see all your tasks listed in a column. But here's the catch, completed tasks won't show up in the main list by default. So, how do you find them? The second thing to do is look at the top of your project. You should see a small drop-down menu called Filter or View. This is where you can choose how to organize your tasks. To see completed tasks, you need to change this view from Incomplete to All Tasks. This will display both active and completed tasks. Make sure you're on the right setting to get the full picture. Next thing, if you're in a list view, completed tasks will be crossed out. You can quickly spot them by their strike-through text. If you prefer to see your tasks with a clearer distinction, you can use the board view. In the board view, completed tasks will automatically move to a separate column called Completed Tasks or similar, depending on how your board is set up. The fourth thing you can do is use the search bar at the top of your screen. If you're looking for a specific completed task, type the task name or keywords into the search field. Then, use the filter options to narrow down your search to only completed tasks. This is super helpful if you're trying to locate a task that was completed a while ago. Another cool feature Asana has is the ability to archive completed tasks. If you're working on a project with a lot of completed tasks, you can click on Archive to hide them from your active task list. Don't worry, they aren't gone forever. Archive tasks are still accessible in your project's archive section. Lastly, here's a quick tip to make managing completed tasks easier. Regularly clear out completed tasks that you no longer need. You can both select them and delete or archive them, keeping your workspace neat and organized. To wrap up, now you know how to see completed tasks in Asana. Whether you're viewing them directly in your project or using the search function, it's all about adjusting your settings to make sure you're seeing what you need. If you haven't already, be sure to check out Asana through the link in the description below. You can get a special extended free trial with our exclusive offer. Thanks for watching.